sama de tanko ku crinoline Kemunto kiriaro tanko ekelenya Nyamira County ere twache iga kubulia mukutano governor saringa ko launch policy y'abana bake tukoro kudena Nyamira County Children's Policy twacha kororana na kiako launch policy inaitwa tumanya kumanyana na kiako ba cascaded down into the grassroots level. Togo shukuru sana governor sogo to hakikishia kuwa akona the future of young children of this country at heart. For being the second governor to launch a policy y'abana bake orogetina, he has the young children of this county at heart, na tunamwomba aendelee kuwa na moyo huo. Bono ese abantu bariba the stakeholders ba launch a policy intubuna vijana nkuboritorena na kiwhere are we in this policy sengencho ekerba kucha ko launch a policy bunye na intunto wente ko ba meaningful involved ekobe policy ne yegoto usisisi vijana na watoto wadogo. Bono, we need to be meaningfully involved not only at the implementation level, but even in the development stages of this policy. Because people cannot sit down and come up with policies that that talk about the youth and young people if those people are not in the offices or the decision-making tables that come up with these policies. So we also get to ask that this policy will be reviewed in 6 months' time. Let the young people that this policy talks to be involved. Let the children that this policy talks to be involved in those decision-making tables. Otherwise, we thank the governor so much for this policy and we hope that it's going to be implemented. Thank you.
Sawa, asante sana. Ilikuwa uombe.
Hapana,